In this video, we're going down to track level on the Polar Express model railroad and getting a view from the track using the Conrail cupola car. We're going to get a view from on the tracks using the Lionel O-gauge Conrail CupolaCam car, and we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Owen. In these videos, I'm continuing to build, expand, and improve my Lionel Polar Express model railway. I'm going to have 3 trains running on the railway today, plus the Polar Express trolley. So there's going to be a lot of movement at different times and in different tracks. As we do that, we're going to pay special attention to what we can see from the track level itself. Lionel's Conrail CupolaCam car is going to give us that video, and we're starting right now. Lionel's CupolaCam car is going to give us that video, and it's going to be a lot of fun to do this. So keep your eyes open, see what you can see from the track level, just as though you are riding along in the cupola of the caboose. If you enjoy model railroad videos, now would be a great time to subscribe. We do these videos as frequently as we can, and we post new videos quite often. As you're looking, if you enjoy model railroad videos, this would be a good time to subscribe to this channel. We'll continue to post new videos periodically as we get new equipment and as we make new improvements on the Polar Express model railroad layout. Let's get started with the CupolaCam car shooting video from the track level. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing that track level video. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel. I appreciate your support. Also, click the thumbs up down below and like this video and share it on social media or with anyone else you know that's into model railroading. As always, thanks for watching. In an earlier video, I talked about the problem I was having uploading that video to the YouTube channel. Turns out the problem is not the Lionel CupolaCam Caboose. The problem is in Final Cut Pro. There's apparently something that needs to be done differently on Final Cut Pro in order to be able to take the video, edit it, and upload it. Unable to figure that out at this point. If you know what it is, please let me know. The CupolaCam camera works just fine.